everyone, I am Dr. Vamangi Goswami. Today, let us learn about a new topic in the chapter amino acid, that is synthesis of amino acids by different reactions. In this chapter, we have already earlier studied about introduction and classification, physical properties of amino acid. Now, in this part of video, we are now going to study about synthesis of amino acids. So now this topic comes under Gujarat University syllabus, BSc Chemistry Semester 3, paper number 201, unit number 1B. So let us start. Let us see the synthesis of amino acids. The amino acids can be synthesized by a number of methods. However, a single method cannot be used for preparation of all amino acids. The different methods used extensively for preparation of different kinds of amino acids are as follows. First and important method is direct aminolysis of alpha halo acids. Here alpha halo acid is used. The carboxylic acid can be converted to alpha chloro or alpha bromo acids by Hale-Volhard's Zelinsky method or HVZ reaction using chlorine or bromine in the presence of red phosphorus. So here acids are converted to its alpha halo acids by bromination or chlorination in presence of red phosphorus. The alpha bromo or alpha chloro acids on treatment with excess ammonia results in the substitution of chlorine by NH2 to give alpha amino acids. So here glycine, alanine, valine, leucine and aspartic acid can be prepared by this method. So this is first and very important method, that is direct ammonolysis of alpha halo acid. First acid is halonized by chlorination or bromination. So alpha halo acid is formed. Then ammonolysis is done and this halogen compound is replaced by amino group. Second very important synthesis is Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Thalamide is converted to its reactive salt by reaction with ethanolic KOH. The potassium salt of thalamide on reaction with alpha halo acids, that is alpha halo ester, is preferred, followed by hydrolysis results in the formation of alpha amino acids. Here thalamide is used as a starting material. First, the potassium salt is formed in Potassium salt of thalamide is formed in presence of KOH and ethanol as a solvent. Here H plus is replaced by K plus and potassium thalamide is formed. So here H plus is replaced by K plus. Next, further reaction with alpha halo acids. So here alpha halo acids, one halogen is removed, and here all the molecule which is attached to this. So here nitrogen is attached by this halogenic group, then further is followed by hydrolysis. This hydrolysis converts this compound into alpha amino acids and this compound is liberated. Here this method results in higher yield of alpha amino acids as compared to that obtained by amination of alpha halo acids. Glycine and leucine are the best prepared by this method. So these two amino acids can be prepared very good by this Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. This topic is important for your exam and this is very much frequently asked question. Further important topic is Strecker synthesis. An aldehyde on reaction with KCN in the presence of ammonia or ammonium chloride results in the formation of alpha aminonitrile. Hydrolysis of alpha aminonitrile in acidic medium yields an alpha amino carboxylic acid. The overall reaction is known as Strecker synthesis, which basically involves conversion of an aldehyde to alpha amino acid having one more carbon atom than the parent aldehyde. So ethanol plus NH4Cl plus gives this particular compound, which has one NH2 group and one nitrile group. Further hydrolysis of it, we convert this nitrile into carboxylic acid and alpha amino acid is formed. So here, Strecker synthesis is equally important as Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Next, an important synthesis, that is thalidomidmalonic ester synthesis. In this method is a modification of Gabriel Thalamide synthesis and involves reaction of potassium thalamide with alpha bromomalonic ester to produce thalidomidmalonic ester. The sodium salt of ester on reaction with alpha halo ester followed by hydrolysis results in the formation of alpha amino acid. This reaction is used for the synthesis of acidic amino acids and hydroxyl amino acids such as serine, glutamic acid and aspartic acid. So this is a modification of Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Here potassium thalamide is used. Again the thalamide is reacted with KOH and H plus is replaced by K plus. Here further alpha bromomalonic ester reaction with alpha bromomalonic ester is done. So here bromine is liberated in this carbon is reacted with this nitrogen and attach the whole molecule. So NaOC further reaction with NaOC2H5 will form one sodium salt of this. Here H plus is replaced by Na plus. Further alpha halo acid ester is reacted with this and this carbon is further added to this and NaCl will be liberated, Na plus and Cl minus will be liberated as a side product and this whole moiety will be attached. Further reaction with concentrated HCl will form this ester, will convert this ester into acids. Further decarboxylation minus CO2 will liberate one of the COOH group. Further hydrolysis of this will liberate this as a single moiety as aspartic acid and another compound is liberated. So this is the basic synthesis part of the amino acids. So these are the important synthesis methods which are equally important for the reactions.